on this 69 Pontiac Firebird. Can you guess what the update is? What was done to this car since you last seen it? What was done to this car when you last seen it? You guessed it. Brand new tires. Brand new Track Attack tires. Same brand and everything. But these are brand spanking new. Brand new tires, y'all boys. She looking fat. Look at that. Oh my God. You see the poke out on this bit? Gee. Bad. About to get an alignment done on it. Once we're done with the alignment, we're gonna do another test drive. This time, it ain't gonna be like the last time, trust me. Dang. Woo. Can't wait to drive this thing again. Fucking beast. Absolutely. So yeah, just a quick update. Brand new tires. Track Attack radials. Oh yeah, these boys got meat, they ready. They ready. I'm definitely ready for another test drive. Ready for another test drive, round 2. Got the new tires on it. Woo! Shit. Got the new tires on it. Test drive. Ooh, I can't wait, boy. They look so fucking meaty. Like, with the blue lettering. Those are some tires right there, boys. The size is right here. 255 60 R15. Whew.
And fire calls like, hey, wait a minute. We sent you letters saying don't even think about flying below 40 degrees.
Right.
Or something like it. You know, some damn number. And those guys, you think about it, a rubber O-ring in a tube, when it's cold, it's not rubber anymore, if you know what I'm saying.
Right.
It's almost like hard plastic, but rubber seals. Mm-hmm. See what I mean? There's as the stuff burns past, just this, they were like 9-foot sections. Then there was O-rings. They were all put together, just like a car part.
Yeah.
You follow what I'm saying?
That's crazy, man.
And each O-ring, as the fuel burned past it, each O-ring you know, was exposed to flame. You follow me?
Right.
So if the pipe, everything was made for a certain fit. You know, and this stuff's big too, if you know what I'm saying. So if something's big, you know what I mean, it's gigantic tube and it loses a certain amount of this or that from temperature, then, you know, if it's like, I don't know, 12 feet in diameter and it loses X amount per whatever,
Right.
then those thousandths of inches end up being like 1/8 of an inch. And 1/8 of an inch gap with flame in it, come on, it's gonna shoot out. As soon as it shoots out, it melts the aluminum, and then the fire went in and set the, I think the fire, the big tank, it shot the fire to the other fuel tank.
Right. Oh, that
Did you follow me?
made an even bigger explosion.
No, it was not bigger. You done ruined it. Sorry, Pete. You done ruined your car. I can. I don't know why. I need to have plenty of confidence.
A little bit of body work. Like a good old 400 grit. Going to the paint booth, baby. Half-inch.
Hardware in there. This is not good. Nope, no check. Okay, you want to go crank it, sir?
Crank that.
Yeah, just hit the starter and give it a little gas. I'll do the choking. Okay? And this time, keep it running if it starts.
Yeah.
Go ahead.